I'm trying to hide from the demons inside my mind. There's nowhere to go, no matter how hard I try, they show. I've tried a million different ways to leave. Oh my, why can't I not find the key? It's too dark, no one shows me how to see. No, I don't wanna fall too deep. 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 I don't wanna fall too deep. It feels like a curse, 'cause every time when I try to run it hurts. The way that it burns feels like I melt through the earth. I've tried a million different ways to leave. Oh my, why can't I not find the key? It's too dark, no one shows me how to see. No, I don't wanna fall too deep. 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 I don't wanna fall too deep. I don't wanna fall too deep.
Hello, beautiful people, and how are you doing? My name is Caroline Wamboi, and welcome back to today's episode where we are going to be doing our zone cleaning. And I am going to begin by deep cleaning my bathroom. I think for the next Thursdays, I will be doing zone cleaning whereby we'll just pick one part of the house and just do some thorough cleaning on it, just to motivate someone to just clean up their space or to just clean a particular part of their homes. So for the bathroom, yeah, when I mean getting thorough, it's exactly that. And I began by scrubbing the walls, and I used bleach and some washing powder and some water, and I'm also using a scotch, or you can also use some steel wire. It also cleans perfectly well. Yeah, so I thoroughly cleaned the walls, and the last two tiles are usually very dirty. Yeah, and that was my main area of concentration. And later on, I just came in with my clean water to rinse off the wall after I had done them justice. I also cleaned those upper parts that I normally place my items. Yeah, and let me tell you, you are going to see at the end the turnout was so good. To the next part, which is the door. We said we are doing a thorough cleaning, yeah, and this one I normally go very soft on it. I am using just a soft piece of sack, kagunia, that is what we call it in my language. That is what I have been using to clean my door all through since I learned that the paint was chipping off. I think you can already see that down there. And let me tell you, yeah, it was not so dirty on the inside. Actually, the outside was worse, but I didn't capture as I cleaned that because I just wiped it. This one was just wiping because the paint is so much, it has so much chipped off, so I couldn't even use whatever I used for the inside. You can see the turnout was so good, and I later rinsed it. And yeah, I hope you are enjoying this cleaning motivation. So make sure you don't miss out on any Thursdays. For the whole of this month of August, I'll just make sure we do a zone cleaning of everywhere, the entire house. Yeah, you can now see, yeah, these two pieces of storage boxes, they are so dirty also. I think I showed you as I was emptying them. You see this, I normally place them on the upper part of the bathroom. I think you have seen that storage area which is just next to the bathroom window, so they tend to accumulate a lot of dust. Yeah, and I just cleaned them using the water that I had put in some cleaning powder or washing powder and some bleach. I also took care of the soap dishes. You will see me doing that. Yeah, make sure you oftenly clean your soap dish. I really get pissed off by soap dishes that have some stuck soap. Yeah, they are so annoying. Yeah, so I also did the cleaning. Yeah, if you have those installed soap dishes that are usually on the wall, kindly, yeah, just remember to clean them up, because most of the time I know you do forget to clean them. In this bathroom, we don't have a lot of storage area. That's why I had to get these storage boxes, because they tend to make the space look a little bit organized. Yeah, and I had bought them from Kamukonchi at only 400 shillings. I don't know the price right now, but then I think last year at around such a time, I had bought them at 400 shillings, but they cannot go to more than 500 shillings. Yeah, and they make the bathroom look so neat. Yeah.
Seems to circle the other. As you go, you remain a stranger to me, to you. But our pieces left uncovered. I'm thinking about four-leaf clovers. I've got composure, silver coin. You hold me, turn me over right now, but expect to forget about it. Watch as the breeze burns golden smoke that you've stolen. Feels like it's my fortune that you're folding. I'm swimming with the sharks. I'm swimming with the sharks.
By the way, I was trying out two new products in my bathroom, and the first one was Ace, and I had used it for about 2 days, and let me tell you, it is really doing justice. And the smell is so amazing. The Ace, you can try out the Ace Ocean Fresh, and it's quite affordable. I think we are so used to Harpic, and we forget that there are other products that can clean up so well. I'm not going against the brand, but you can try it. Try Ace. It really has some good color and quite affordable. I'm also trying this new scoring powder, the Nuru. Yeah, and I got a kg at 96 shillings. Just imagine, 96 shillings a whole kg. And I think this one will take me like almost a whole year. Yeah, up to maybe next year. Yeah, it will go for a long way. 1 kg is quite much. And for the scoring powder, I only use it on my sinks and my bathroom floor, nowhere else. So that one is so much, and the price is so good. Those are the two products I'm trying on my bathroom. And for Ace, I already love it. For this Nuru scoring powder, I've not yet done it, but I'll give a review maybe after a few cleans for some weeks, yeah, I will come and give a review. Yeah, so let's continue cleaning. I hope you are still carrying the motivation. You need to carry this, and especially the homemakers. Yeah.
Into your eyes, cold in the water, cold unless you're keeping in disguise. All you could ask for never made its way into your eyes. So very clever, leaving me to wonder what you hide.
And by the way, when you're using the scoring powder, don't use a lot of it. Yeah, because if you don't rinse properly, it will leave out some white stains. Yeah, and especially if you don't have a lot of water like myself, you will end up using so much water to just drain the white powder. Yeah. I'm trying to hide from the demons inside my mind. There's nowhere to go, no matter how hard I try, they show. I've tried a million different ways to leave. Oh my, why can't I not find the key? It's too dark, no one shows me how to see. No, I don't wanna fall too deep. 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 I don't wanna fall too deep. It feels like a curse, 'cause every time when I try to run it hurts. The way that it burns feels like I melt through the earth. The glass and tile cleaner, of course, always comes last to just give my tiles a shine and also leave the bathroom smelling so good. So that is the last thing I always do. Yeah, of course, yeah, I had already mopped the floor of camera and my bathroom was already clean, and I am going to show you the turnout in a few. No, I don't wanna fall too deep. This was the turnout. Yeah, very clean, perfectly cleaned, and I loved the turnout. Yeah, and I'm also going to show you how on normal days my bathroom looks. Yes, when I have put in everything else. Yeah, the soap dishes on top there, the storage containers. Yeah, I'm going to show you a look of it. We don't have even the tissue holder, so I just usually place everything on top there. Yeah, and I'm a bit reluctant on doing any more thing in this house. Yes, because I'm just looking forward to that day I'll shift. Yeah, I'm already tired of just doing so much things in the house. Yeah, so let me just place my items there. Yeah, the next place I took care of, and this one I normally do it every day, it's this sink area. Yeah, and I think you've seen me place an old toothbrush there. That's an old toothbrush. Don't throw them away. Yeah, they really help in cleaning some of the areas that you can't reach out with your hands or with your cleaning items. Yeah, I'm going to be using that toothbrush to clean. You're going to see exactly where I'll use it. Yeah, there, to just clean that lower part of the tap area because it accumulates a lot of dirt. And I wish I would have zoomed in that camera so that you can see what it was doing. It was really removing the small dust particles that normally accumulate there. So I hope you have gotten motivated to just do the cleaning. Yeah, in case you have watched this video up to this point, allow me to say thank you. Thank you for subscribing, and in case you have not subscribed into this channel, make sure you do. Just recheck if your red button is reading subscribed, and also check if the notification bell is already on, so that anytime I upload a new video, you can always be the first to see. Yeah.
One of us seems to circle the other, and as you go you remain a stranger to me, to you. But our pieces left uncovered. I'm thinking about four-leaf clovers. I've got composure, silver coin. You hold me, turn me over right now, but expect to forget about it. Watch as the breeze burns golden smoke that